Why do people who are rich and have a successful life recommend that we do things like exercise to get rich when it has nothing to do with money? Until some time ago, this question occupied my mind and I used to make logical answers for myself. For example, I used to say that exercise has an effect on my health and that health is more important than anything else, and it was a correct definition. But what about waking up early in the morning? Apart from being able to do things sooner and be full of energy, what other use does it have? How about exercising? During the research I have done in the book The Power of Habit, I first got acquainted with the cycle of habits, which I explained in the previous video. As the book progressed a little, it became clear to me. Habits are very broad while being simple, and some of our habits, which are called underlying habits, without having anything to do with our main topic and goal, cause us to change our main goal and create other habits in us. During the research, scientists have realized that people who exercise automatically affect their financial situation and many other habits. In other words, underlying habits are habits that can change our lives by changing or creating them. When you build or change your basic habits, it creates a new culture and lifestyle in you. This new culture and lifestyle not only makes difficult decisions easy for you, but also makes you used to adhere to it forever. For example, if you create a basic habit of exercising in the morning and continue it continuously, this culture will be created in you to wake up and get ready to go to the gym or run every morning. In this case, you can more easily wake up or you can more easily ignore the sweets on the table. Because you have built this culture in yourself that you should go to the gym now and you should not eat non-diet foods. It may be hard for you to believe, but it is that simple. Just by changing one habit, you can change many of your habits. I will tell you another example. A person whose house smelled, had tried many times to date others and was successful to some extent. But when they entered his house, they would suddenly apologize to him and leave him. That person did not feel it because he was always dealing with that smell. But everyone else who entered his house was familiar with this smell. He also noticed this smell and took action to eliminate it and strangely succeeded in getting a date. This was one of the basic habits that I explained. Who thinks that the breakup of his relationship is related to the smell of his house? He was able to succeed in his relationships only by buying deodorizing or deodorant sprays. So if so many people have been able to do this and succeed, why don't you do it too? Some habits are common among the rich. Like waking up early in the morning, exercising and not spending a lot of money. By creating these habits, you will notice great changes in your life. I hope this video has taught you something and will bring you closer to success. Good luck and always learn.